So, 30 years of research is ready to change the world. It's a kind of new solar cell that has been developed, an organic solar cell. And Epishine was founded 3 years ago and has since then accelerated this innovation from lab scale to production ready. My name is Woxlin. I'm one of the founders of Epishine, and I am so excited to get to be part of enabling the most scalable, resource-efficient, and affordable solar cells in the world. It's resource-efficient, meaning that we have been able to exclude all scarce and toxic materials and are creating the first fully organic solar cells ever made. It's scalable, meaning that we basically print the solar cells as you print newspaper, but instead of printing ink on paper, we print plastic ink on regular PET. Once we build our first full-scale machine, it will be in the size of a newspaper print and have a capacity to print solar cells equivalent to 1 nuclear reactor per month. We do it in a very energy-efficient way, giving our solar cells an energy payback time of only 10 days. And when you have a resource-efficient solar cells combined with a simple manufacturing process, the result is a cheap solar cell. We aim for a kilowatt-hour price of only 1 euro cent. Our solar cells open up for many new application areas, and since we are in a development phase, we will address the market step by step. We will start by using the solar cells for indoor use, like indoor energy harvesters, powering the Internet of Things, and then go outdoors, using them for material integration before we reach our potential and can use them for scalable energy production. So why would we start by using solar cells indoor where there are basically no sunlight? Well, everyone wants more data, and in order to get this data, you need to measure everything in the physical world, like temperature, moisture, air quality, and so on. So already today, millions of sensors is being made on a daily basis. A breakthrough in the sensor industry has been wireless data at low power. But in order to get truly wireless IoT, you also need the power itself to be wireless. And you can do that already today with batteries. The problem with batteries is that they need to be replaced every now and then, and it becomes a logistic nightmare when there are millions of them that needs to be replaced. And that is why a market for energy harvesting has emerged, where you basically replace the battery with a solution that are able to use the energy around the sensor to power it. And that is why we have optimized our solar cells not to convert the sunlight to electricity, but to convert the light from lamps to electricity, because most sensors are placed indoors. So we work in very low light conditions, and we replace the batteries in our customers' wireless products, and are thereby cutting their battery replacement costs with an average of 80%. We improve the user experience, and we decrease their climate impact with 99% compared to batteries. Today, we work close to a number of small, medium-sized, and huge companies where we integrate our light energy harvesting solution into their wireless products. We are having our manufacturing in Linköping, Sweden. We have patented this manufacturing process, and it is that makes us unique compared to our competitors. And in order to reach our vision of becoming the world's largest producer of solar cells, we are not only selling the solar cells as components, but we'll also license out this manufacturing process so that we can have manufacturing all over the world. And we are already in negotiations with our first company that wants to license our process. The founding team consists of a great mix of entrepreneurs with experience of taking radical innovation to market-leading positions, and researchers that are well-leading within the printed and organic electronics area. Our professor, for example, is the former chairman of the Nobel Committee. So, if you want to join us in enabling this innovation to change the world, we're happy to talk to you about our pre-A round that is coming up this fall. And if you hate replacing batteries, we're happy to talk to you about your energy harvesting solution. Thanks.